Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a half up, half down hairstyle with no leave out. So you'll be seeing me. Here's my back braids, and the front braids I did 4, and the back I did 4 2, I believe. So these are the clip-ins I made. If you want a video on how to make clip-ins, let me know. And I'm just going to clip these in. It doesn't really matter how you clip it in, because as you can see, I just clipped it where I felt it was fit. Now for this clip right here, you'll see on the side, I'm not putting it straight, I'm putting it sideways so the clip is not visibly shown. Now for this last clip I'm putting in, I ended up moving this clip in, well this track of clip in, I ended up moving it to the middle of my head so it's not shown at all. Now for the front of my hair, what we're going to do is take a track that has no clips at all, and we're going to wrap it around the ponytail. See, I'm bending it so the tracks is not seen, and we're going to take a hairpin and pin it in. All we're going to do here is continue wrapping the hair around the ponytail until you can't wrap it anymore. And I'll speed it up right here. As you're wrapping it, if you don't feel like it's secure enough, you want to put the bobby pins or hairpins in it and it'll secure it. Now we're going to fluff it out, make sure it's all pretty, make sure no tracks are shown. If you want to, you can wrap a piece of hair around the track if you feel like it's showing. Right here I'm doing a 360, making sure, showing you guys there's no tracks shown. Now this is going to be optional. I'm just taking out 2 pieces of hair in the front because I thought it looked pretty. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm chilling.